Good evening, dear student. Welcome to today class. And today I will teach chapter number 5. Chapter name is the fundamental unit of life. Okay. So, student, in our earth is a home to various kind of living organisms such as plants, animals, humans, and microorganisms. Okay. These living organisms show enormous degree of diversity in their form and size. Okay, however, they possesses a uniformity in their basic structure. Okay, all living organisms are made up of numerous microscopic units known as cells. Okay, the word cell is derived from the Latin word cellula. Okay, the word cell is derived from Latin word cellula. Okay, cell derived from cellula. This is a Latin word. Okay, this is a Latin word. That's clear. So, which means cellula means little room. Okay, cellula means little room. Okay, cellula means little room. That's clear. Cellula means little room. And out. So, which means a little room. A living organism may exist and as a unicellular and multicellular. Okay. Some living organisms such as bacteria are made of a single cell and are known as unicellular organisms. Okay. So, a living organism may unicellular and multicellular, exist in unicellular, multicellular. Okay, some living organisms such as some living organisms such as some living organism such as some living organism such as bacteria are made of such as bacteria are made of bacteria are made up of a single cell of a single cell and are known as unicellular organism. Okay, that's clear. And the organism and the organism made up of many many cells such as made up of many cells such as plants and animals are such as plants and animals are plant and animals are known as multicellular organism. That's clear. So, student, all the cells existing as unicellular organisms, or as a part of multicellular organisms are capable of carrying out certain basic functions such as nutrition, respiration, growth and reproduction. These functions are essential for their survival. Okay, each cell consists of various components, okay, within it, which are known as cell organelles. Okay, so mitochondria and ribosomes are some cell organelles. Okay, these cells organelles are specialized parts of cells that perform specific functions. Okay, so hence a cell is considered as the basic structure and functional unit of life. And next topic in this chapter, living organisms are made up of cells. Okay, so living organisms are made up of one or many cells. Okay, old cells get continuously replaced by new cells in the body. In all living organisms, cells perform the essential functions of life processes. Okay, therefore the cells are smallest unit of the basic organization of the body. Okay, so a group of cells together perform a specific function and continued as a tissue. Okay, tissues aggregate to make a organ. Okay, then organs together make an organ system. Okay, which ultimately gives rise to a complex body of an organism. So cells, okay, then the group of cells make tissue. Okay, the group of cells make tissue. Okay, the group of cells make tissues. Okay, then tissues, group of tissues make, okay, group of tissues make organs. Okay, organs, then organ makes, okay, organ system. Okay, organ makes organ system. Okay, organ system, organ system. Okay, after that organ system make, group of organ system make organism. Okay, so this is a process. Okay, so this is a process. Okay, I hope understood all of you regarding this topic. Now you can feel free to ask me. Okay, you can feel free to ask me. So dear student, living organisms are made up of cells. Okay, in this topics we will study about making system of organism. Okay, so cells, groups of cells make tissues, and groups of tissues make organs, and groups of organs make organ system. Okay, organs system, that's clear. Then groups of organ system make organism. So this picture showing the hierarchy in the organization of the body of living organisms. Okay, I hope understood. Regarding this topic, any doubt, you can feel free to ask me. Okay, so have a nice day. Good day.